Today we're showing you a 2016 New Holland T4.100 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor comes with a New Holland 655 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor's in excellent condition. It's just about like new, just over 250 hours on it. It's got the work lights in the cab, mirrors in the cab. It's very well equipped. Skid steer style carrier for your bucket connection. Bucket shows a little bit of wear, but very minimal use. Paint's in excellent condition on the tractor. Tires are good. Again, does have mirrors in the cab. Rear work lights, rear wiper. It's got dual hydraulic plug-ins back here. Has the 540 PTO Telescopic 3-point arms. Does not look like they've been used. It's got the stabilizer bars. A little bit of damage here to the back fender. Looks like they backed into something a little bit. It's bent down slightly. It's not very noticeable, but it is noticeable if you look at it closely. Toolbox here on the side. Inside the cab, it's got the buddy seat here on the side. It's got the air ride seat there for the operator. Tilt steering wheel. It does have the power shuttle, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Cup holder here on the side. You get three ranges with park in the on your short lever there. 1, 2, 3, 4 synchronized up top, gives you a total of 12 speeds. Loader control within easy reach. Your control console, you've got your hydraulic controls, PTO controls, four-wheel drive engagement, hand throttle right here, 3-point down beside the seat. On the post there, you've got the heat and air conditioning controls, lights, wipers, radio up top there. Got the monitor bracket already installed. Very, very clean tractor. You'll notice the clutch and brake pedals, there's barely any paint off those pedals. Differential lock back behind you there. It's a very clean tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.